Testing, 1, 2. In the place to be. Testing. Yeah, so I screwed up and I did. All right, testing. Hello everyone, Nostradamus here. I am working on improving my live stream chops. Please check ready video resolution. The current which is not optimal, whatever. Microphone check. I screwed up and I did. All right, testing. What's up, human? How you doing? A microphone check. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Hello everyone, Nostradamus Trades here. Better lightning now. What does that mean? Hello everyone, Nostradamus here. I screwed up. I scheduled this, but I left it private until about 8 minutes ago. Playing with slow cryptos. Man, I cannot wait for that TastyWorks exchange. This is an attempt to get better at talking during live streams. I will attempt to chop this video up and maybe post something useful. Here we are, TastyWorks, taking a look. The futures market will open in 3 minutes. I will be looking to short gold maybe right off the bat. Go long Nasdaq, that's always my default play. What do you think? A lot of bad news out there. Is the Nasdaq gonna hit us right off the bat down? I've been waiting for that to happen ever since coronavirus has started going up, and it always opens up high. I'm gonna default it to the mini Nasdaq because I don't want to make the mistake of buying a Nasdaq contract, which I quite often do, and I either lose or win $2,000 or $3,000 in like 5 seconds. Yeah, it's the Yeti. I don't know, man. The Yeti X. It takes a little playing around with. It's a good mic. Probably eventually get into the XLR stuff, but I don't know that I want to spend that much time figuring that out right now. What crypto is you trading? All right, we have about a minute to futures open. I am excited. Let's do some degenerate plays. Do not follow me because I can and probably will lose money. I just like the action. I'm an adrenaline junkie. I am definitely gonna YOLO into some crypto here pretty soon. Tempted to trade, and I have traded. So this Bitcoin future, that is 5 times leverage. So you can, I see. Oh, yeah, dude, I just, all right. So to be quite honest, and a lot of these little SPAC plays, I don't have any real long-term outlook. I'll just get into them to see if I can make a few bucks. CIIC, I do like better than most. I do think there's potential. It's a SPAC, man. Come on. IPOs are safer, and that's not saying much. All these SPACs, they have all these great investor decks, slide deck. Of course. What are they going to tell you? Something bad? It's all a gamble. Ooh, excuse me. That LaCroix carbonation. All right. The S&P looking a little negative. The Nasdaq's kind of bumping around. What are we going to do? Oh, there we go. I switched it to NQ again. Almost going heavy. We don't want to trade the NQ. All right, let's take a look. I just immediately knew going into this I wanted to go long, so we're gonna go one contract long right off the bat. Oh, boom, we're in. I'm already up $8. Let's close out. Supper time. DoorDash. XRP. I definitely want to start trading that a bit once the coin exchange comes online. Never heard of Silica. Man, I feel like you could put money in any of these cryptocurrencies right now, and you're gonna make money long term. All right, so how is gold doing? Gold is up a couple bucks. Let's throw on a mini gold short. One of the ways I play crypto right now is I short precious metals. Boom, build. Oh, look at that! Already like. All right. What? MNQ? Oh, did I? I think I just bought another mini Nasdaq. I'm an idiot. Oh, what did I do? Oh, maybe my gold trade didn't fill. That's something I had to have filled. Oh, I am working on another Nasdaq contract. What am I close? I don't even know what that is. All right. I'm minus. All right, we're gonna close this. We're gonna start all over. Yeah, I must have reversed it somehow. Whew, get your bearings straight, Tom. Like, I don't even know what the hell happened. Let's see. I'm minus 450 of the day. I could have sworn that thing must have never filled. I really screwed up. Now it's up 34 points. Do I want to buy into that? Ah, my goodness. Oh, all right. Well, let's see if that pulls back. Zilliqa. I've never heard of that one either. 40 points. Sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some, and I definitely just lost one there. I was trying to buy Nasdaq when it's up 4 points. Now it's up 40. Unbelievable. All right. In fact, I lost $4.50. I tried to go long Nasdaq, and I'm down money. Guess that long I put in never filled because I don't know, man. All right, let's do a mulligan. Let's reset. All right, Nasdaq market futures been open for 3 minutes now. The Nasdaq is currently up 30 points. The world is on fire. Of course, the market is up. Of course, the Nasdaq is up. The ES is up 4 points. You know what? Let's put a trade in on over there. So we're going to do the E-mini S&P. This is the S&P Futures 500. I'm going to YOLO. I'm going to go long. Let's do it. We're already down half a point. Come on. Let's fill. There you go. Come on. Get back. You're already going to run away from me? I can't catch a break today. Bitcoin up 270. I never. You should learn, brother. Stick around. I'll teach you. It's easy. Options give you this one of the steps. Get your words out, Tom. Offer you one of the best statistical chances of success. There we go. We're filled. All right. Let's take a look at gold again. Let's see where that bad boy ended up. Ooh, gold is going negative. I should have got my trade in. I was doing it at 2. Again, I love shorting gold. This is how I play crypto. Bullish precious metals. Bullish crypto. So this one right here, this is the Bitcoin future. I don't even know. Oh. All right. I was going to say that scared me. So this one is scary. It's like $5. What is it? $5 a tick? No, it's more than that. It's 5-to-1 leverage on Bitcoin. So it's a mover. I don't even know if I have the buying power right now. Oh no, I can't do it, man. I don't feel like YOLOing that much. Why don't you trade options, human? All right, let's go back to the Nasdaq. How's the Nasdaq doing? Looks like it's settling right around that 30 mark. Take a look at the chart, even though I'm not much into charts. All right. Daily, let's do, well, we can't go back too far now, can we? Because it's future. All right, there we go. We're coming back a bit. I think I might dip my toe into a Nasdaq. Losing money on the gold short, losing money on the S&P long. All right, I need the action. I'm a degenerate. Yeah, so I want to, like, I don't have, you have to have custody of your XRP to get that, right? I don't really, yeah, no, I get that. So, how old are you, human? So, anything lower than 55, I'll keep that in mind. The whole Spark thing doesn't, like, it's cool, but you have to have custody. I don't have any way to do that right now. And then, I mean, I don't think Spark's going to be anything, but who knows? They have, so on TastyWorks, they got some really cool ways for you to leverage and play. They have the small exchange, and they have, it's pretty cool. Check it out, smallexchange.com. So like this SPRE, precious metals, is a good one. But these are futures with a bit of leverage, but they're 1/10 the size of futures. So for example, this Nasdaq future is the equivalent of 80 shares of QQQ. That's why I don't like trading the regular. So that's 1/10 the size of an NQ future, which is 800 shares of QQQ. So that's a lot of leverage. And I mean, to give you an idea, where is that? Capital requirement. So I'm controlling 80 shares of QQQ for $1,800. 80 shares of QQQ, what is that? Like 270, 300 bucks? I don't even know. 300 bucks. So I'm controlling 24,000, little $25,000, $1,800. Too old, 33. I wish I could say that, man. I would pay everything I had right now to be 33 again. So how long you been trading? I don't know what a CFD is. Cash? What's a CFD? You're making me look silly. I should know these things, right? CFD trading. Just 8 months. Contract for difference. I don't know what the hell that is. I need to watch this video, how to trade CFD for beginners. Basics of CFD. Oh, is this Forex? Dude, Forex is a, say the F away from Forex. Great way to lose money. What? So what is the same? Options or futures? I still don't know what the hell is CFD. Contract for difference. Difference from what? The buyer? Yeah. I don't know, man. 1990s. How the hell are you 33? What the F is CFD? Professionals prefer futures contracts. All right, that makes sense. They're smaller. Yeah, they're smaller, so that might be part of it. So, like the ES. Oh, excuse me. Is the S&P 500 futures. This is, I don't know, crazy high leverage. Like 800 shares. This controls 800 shares of the S&P stock. Yeah, so it seems very similar. Seems like they're smaller. So like, yeah, this ES would control 800 shares of the SPY. The NQ would control 800 shares of QQQ. The ES is $12.50 a tick. So there's 4 ticks a dollar. It's in quarter increments, right? So every point the ES moves, that's $50. So that can add up pretty quickly. The ES moves a bit slower, so it's not that big a deal. The MNQ is the mini Nasdaq, and the MES is the mini ES, the S&P 500 futures. So definitely watch it if you get into futures trading. It's extremely exciting, but it is a lot of leverage. You can really know how to control yourself, and it's really hard to make money at it. I mean, look, I'm down. I did mini contracts in all of them. Yeah, I'm down like, what, I don't know, 10, 12 bucks. Who knows? I could go to bed. If the Nasdaq were to limit down, that would be like $1,200, $1,300 I could lose overnight. You know, I mean, but the chances of the Nasdaq limiting down are pretty low. So if you have an assumption, I like trading them because they are a lot of bang for your buck. And the mini Nasdaq, the mini gold, and the mini S are 1/10 the size. So if you have a decent amount of capital, like I wouldn't even consider it the minis until you have like $25,000 maybe. But then, you know, you just kind of, it's tough, dude, because if you're worried about losing $1,000 overnight, you can't sleep for it, then maybe, you know, you kind of wait. But they're a very, very efficient use of capital. The small exchange is bring on a lot of products, and it is really cool, and they will start offering bigger trading hours, and it will start becoming more liquid. But they have the SM75, a very small 75 futures. I'm not really sure what's in that. I kind of forget. I think it's like the top 75 of the S&P 500, maybe. The precious metals is a small precious metal contract. The sticks is a technology index. They have a dollar one, which is cool. I trade that sometimes. I'm pretty short the dollar right now. Oh, yeah. Yeah, dude, I don't know, man. Like, I've had such a good year, and now I'm at the point where I'm in that tax bracket where I made some mistakes along the way. So my year-to-date realized is 84,000, which means plus my salary for my job, I'm in the 32% tax bracket now. So now I'm like, screw it, dude. I'm just gonna like get kind of risky and maybe come up on a few bands or lose a band, and it just doesn't kill me as bad because of taxes and the fact I've already had such a great year that I'm just kind of YOLOing a bit. Should have bought Bitcoin. Up 470. That would have probably been a decent amount. But these minis, they're not too bad. Right? Like I've been sitting there, I've been in it for what, 10, 15 minutes now. I'm down 20 bucks in this one, up 3 in that. Alexandros, what's happening? What do you think about NU Cipher? I have no freaking clue what that is. Let's Google that. You guys come on with these hard questions. NU Cipher. That's a crypto I've never heard of, brother. I am so early into this. Or Alexandros, I'm assuming you're a dude. My apologies if you're not. But I have never heard of this one. Yeah, dude, stick around. I'll teach you. TastyWorks is really good too. Watch TastyWorks. I wake up to TastyWorks in the morning. There's stuff you definitely. So that's one really cool thing about futures. All right, so check this out. This account right here, my big account, has 1,260 deltas. These are beta weighted deltas. I'll explain that in a second. But 1,260 deltas. So that means, and it's beta weighted to the SPY. So for every point the SPY goes up, theoretically I should make $1,260. So that's a lot of deltas, you know, depending on your account size. And I've had a $20,000 day recently, so that's definitely a lot of deltas for me. So one thing I can do if I'm really nervous in the market to reduce my deltas, say like tonight, say, shit, man, I think the market's going to crash tonight. I got too many deltas on. I can sell some Nasdaq contracts at negative 80 deltas per, or S&P, same thing, and I can lower my deltas down. Yeah, I'll do that for sure. I'm definitely like, I spend a lot of my time right now learning as much as I can about cryptocurrency. I think hands down, bar none, that is the opportunity of a lifetime for anyone out there to just make life-changing wealth. All medical business. Who transfer medical data would use it? Oh, yeah, interesting. I've got that up in my tab, and I will definitely check that out later. Thanks for the tip. The layer 2 protocol. I know what a layer 2 protocol is. What are you up to, Alexandros? Hopefully I'm not butchering that name. Where are you from? Or what the hell? So any ideas? Adomani. Also EV just 50p per. Oh, Adomani. Have I heard of that one? I don't think so. Dude, honestly, like here's how I do most of this stuff. Adomani. Never heard of them. Zero mission. Like Greece. Nice. How's that over there in Greece? All right, so excuse me. Go look at the list of automotive companies, the history of failed automotive companies. It's insane. It's ridiculous. These are all like everyone out there, they're trying to get that new EV money. They know it's the future. So if you want to have anything in the EV product, you've got to have Tesla. That stock is hands down, like me, dude, I'm all like half my account is going to be in stocks and options and futures. But the bulk of that's going to be in Tesla. I know I'm set with Tesla. Alamera, what the hell is that? All right, so and the other is going to be in crypto, dude. Like in 3 or 4 years, I'm already cruising islands on. I'm talking like owning my own island. I'm looking those up on Zillow. You didn't know Zillow sold islands, did you? I might have to check out Rocket. Maybe they give me a better deal. So yeah, dude, who knows, man? Like I get into these sometimes, just trade them, just try and make lunch money. Try and make a little money, get through the day. The only other EVs right now that really interest me are obviously XPeng and NIO. Made quite a lot of money on those. I'm starting to get nervous with the XPEV. I still like it better as a company. I think they have a better outlook, but it's all based off what I'm being told. And you can't believe anything about Chinese companies, unfortunately. Calamera, I still... Is that the shrimp dish? Even at, what do you mean even at this prior Tesla? Calamari? I'm accountant who transfer medic. Oh, nice. Nice. Is that, are you, like, can you even buy that? Oh, is that a crypto? Did I already lose it? I need to bookmark that or something. What was that? Nayu? New cipher. Oh, yeah, new cipher. All right, let's take a look. Now, NU, available on Coinbase. Oh, okay. Does that mean hello? Hello, brother? Ethereum token. Let's take a look. Was it on here? NU. Yeah, I don't see it on here yet. Coinbase. Oh, is this it? No, NU. Are you do a lot of trading, Alexandros? Mostly just cryptos, I imagine. Is this NU? Is this right? 24, 28 cents? I'm going to buy another Nasdaq because I'm a degenerate. Not at all. So you don't trade at all? Nothing? So yeah, check this out, human. Palantir, instead of trading the stock, I just traded, I sold a Jan 20 put, sold it, got $255 credit. I'm already up $74 on it. That means is the 20 plus the 255 credit puts my cost basis. If I were to, so you have to have the ability to buy 100 shares, but it would be like buying the stock at $17.50 if the trade went against me. However, I will be looking to sell this already at a 50% profit, half a 255, right around 128. We call it a day. Did I get the 1,000? Nah, dude, I forgot what I did. I think I bought some shares and just got bored with it. Like, I like Palantir and I think it's a good stock long term. But again, honestly, man, like, look at this account. It's like all Tesla right now. I have 250 shares of Tesla. I'm not looking to liquidate anything until the beginning of the year so I could start anew with taxes. I do have 100 shares of CGC. I did a put spread in JPM, small, 200 shares of LCA, 100 shares of NEO, 500 shares of NEO. I'm still balling over there. Oh, and I sold out of all my XPEV. That's right. I just have some puts on. What app do you have? I know, oh, UK trading. Yeah, that sucks. I forget what the popular one is over there. Unfortunately, I don't know if TastyWorks is going to be ever going to Europe or not. You can't, like, they don't allow you to open up. I guess you got to live in the United States. Like, Robinhood's not over there. Yeah, that sucks, dude. Move to America. Yeah, Trading 212. I think that's the one I've heard of. Oh, I have a Smary. Oh, nice. Yeah, dude. Like Bitcoin's where it's at, man. I'm moving half my account to Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm gonna buy some Ripple. I might even buy some Ethereum Cash. Yeah, I don't do much averaging down either. Like why if you're wrong, why buy more, right? Why is it going down? Unless it's a really good company, but you know, what do you use for your crypto? So do you human, do you have Ethereum? Do you have it in custody? Are you going to get Spark? What is that on the 12th? Finance. So what position do you do stocks and options versus cryptocurrency? Oh, is that mostly what you trade? You just buy XRP below 50 and sell at what? Like I do feel like there'd be a lot of opportunity just doing that right now, especially early on. You could really catch a bid too, and like just if you're in there when it skyrockets, which I think is coming. Yeah, man. Why are you such a hater? Which one do I need to look at? That ain't right. Interesting. That's a good name. I've never heard that. Learn something every day in this game. I'm a big fan of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. I'm honestly looking to buy 3 full Bitcoins at the beginning of the year. I'm praying it doesn't go above 25,000 max. I would actually love to see it dip hard. I'd like to buy about 5,000 Ethereum and I'll probably buy, I don't know, like 1,000 Ripple. Yeah, so dude, I get that understanding. Ethereum actually has a very, very bullish outlook, and I think there's massive potential. They're talking a $30,000 price target on that in 2021. Just, I mean, you would be upset with that kind of growth, and it's the second most popular coin. I think Ripple's the third. What's the bull case on Ripple? How high is that going to go? I don't know. I figure, I guess if it went to like $30, all right, so 500 to 30,000, 5 to 30, is that the same, or 5 to 300? And it doesn't matter what the price is. Like you could just, it doesn't matter. You buy $500 of Bitcoin. It's not like you have to buy a full Bitcoin. And then if Bitcoin has a $318,000 price target, what? That's a 20x. So if you had $500 of Bitcoin, that's $100,000. No, that ain't right. That's $10,000. 100,000 sounds better, huh? Now I wish I would have bought that Bitcoin. Where are we at? $6. So that is just like XRP's 50 cents to $6. What is that? 10 times? Yeah, right around 10 times. Wouldn't you rather have Bitcoin at 20 times or Ethereum at, oh my goodness, Ethereum 600 to 30,000. So that's 10, 20, like 30 times, dude. 40 times, 50 times. I don't know, way more. So you put the same amount in Ethereum, think about that. You'll make way more money, regardless of how much it is. Yeah, dude. They all move with Bitcoin. Ethereum. Honestly, I'm probably the most bullish about Ethereum right now, the more I look and watch into it. But short term, I want to accumulate, my goal is to accumulate as much Bitcoin as I can over the next 2 to 3 years as possible. Again, I am already shopping for my island and my G5 jet. So the island on Zillow and a G5 jet on eBay. You know what I'm saying? Because it is going to be on sipping margaritas on my island with an airport with my G5. I'm kidding, but I'm serious. We're going to be rich in crypto. Or I'm going to be living out on the overpass over there because I'm going to be broke because I went in too heavy. Come on, Bitcoin. I need you to crash. Pretty non-exciting futures open. Recap, I have 2 long Nasdaq futures. I'm down $24 on that. That is moving at $1 per quarter tick. I have a gold short on. This is currently how I'm trading crypto with efficiency. I am long-term bearish precious metals. You know what? Let's put another one of these on. Bid. Boom, boom, boom. I'm short 2 gold, mini gold contracts. And I am long 1 S&P 500 mini future. Dude, I mean, it trades around, like, you're saying some stuff, like, you're way more knowledgeable than me in crypto, so you can lean on me for options and futures. I can definitely hit you up on this crypto stuff. So, okay, so 2,000 plus. So you're talking liquidity. Yeah, so the Bitcoin, well, probably because of price, but watch that liquidity, man. Watch this. Where do you get this fast? Because I think that 7 is going to start going up, which will be good because it'll bring some stabilization of the price. But I think it's going to be on a rocket ship. Zilliqa, am I saying that right? 2,000 plus. Ripple. I don't know, dude. Whatever the price is going to be around January, then I have to start worrying about whether I'm getting in high or low. Right now I'm doing it all on Robinhood. I haven't bought any Ripple yet. I did like thought I'd be cute, not Doji. Is that how you call it, the joke one? I bought $5 worth of that, and that gave me 1,472 coins, which is insane. I would love for that thing to skyrocket with Bitcoin. I actually kind of like Litecoin too. You know, it's like a hobby now, man. Like trading crypto is a hobby. Make some money. I'm a hoarder. It's like getting your little Pokemon cards. Let's see, Ripple, not Mad Dog, not Boons. As more of a night train guy myself, you probably won't get that joke. Ripple. It's trading at 62 cents. What do you normally like to sell at, dude? I don't know what I'm going to be buying it at. Whatever. Hopefully this stuff hasn't gone to the moon towards the beginning of the year. Yeah, after December 12th, Ripple's going to probably tank. Watch. I'm calling it. Calling my shot. Buy the rumor. Sell the news. Ripple's hot because of that airdrop. Ripple is hot because of that airdrop, and cryptos are hot. A recommendation link for your registration to what, brother? All you gotta do is subscribe, hit those like buttons. Thank you for saying it looks good. Yes, be sure to like and subscribe. Let's try and get this up to 4 people in the chat. You know what I'm saying? I will be doing this every Sunday. I do plan to do the AirBNB IPO Wednesday morning. I'm probably going to do something stupid, try and make some lunch money, maybe lose some money. I am long-term bullish Airbnb, but I am typically just avoid getting into IPOs. All right, let's start turning these trades around, baby. We're cooking now. Which one do you hope tanks? XRP? Oh, why? Because you're going to load the boat. You're going to back up the truck. Beep, beep. Yeah, I want them to crash too. Honestly, even in my tax situation, if Bitcoin were to crash, like very short term down to like 15,000, what have you. Oh, I don't even know how I would do it though, because I can't really, like if I were to liquidate, then I don't, so I take it back, but I might put on I should have bought this freaking, again, this future is scary because it's 5 times leverage. So it moves. So even like, I am long-term bullish, very long-term bullish Bitcoin. I'm very tempted just to buy one of these Bitcoin futures contracts, controlling 5 Bitcoins, long 5 Bitcoins. I'm ham, right? But the problem is if this future, if Bitcoin $2,000-$3,000 dip, dude, like my account's going to go $25,000 down in a day. Like, can I stomach that? Ooh, baby. I don't know, and I don't know why it would be any different if I own 5 Bitcoins, but it is. Plus, with the futures are quarterly, so you got to roll them, and there's carrying costs. All alts. What do you mean alt? This ain't World of Warcraft, but if you're bullish on Bitcoin, all yeah, brother, I get it, dude. I told you I'm buying heavy, 90%-ish Bitcoin. 5% Ethereum, it's ballpark numbers. The rest, I'll spread it around. Ripple's going to be up there high. I'd get one to start with then. Dude, I've got, what do you mean you'd get one? I'm in Bitcoin. And I'm in Ethereum. I have, let me get this. Let me see if I can get this up. Whatever. So again, Robinhood, I've got a little over 1 Bitcoin. I have 2 Ethereum. I'm dying. I'm waiting for the TastyWorks coin exchange to come online because I think it is going to be the biz in these. And it's on. 200, almost a $200,000 account, liquidating half of it, all for crypto. Oh, Lord willing that they allow me to trade crypto in my IRA. I might make that whole thing crypto, dude. I have 100 shares of Tesla over there. Take a look. I very, very seriously doubt they allow me to trade crypto in the IRA, but that would be so amazing. And it'll eventually be there in the future. But what do I have? I have 100 shares of Aurora Cannabis, 100 shares. You see, I'm playing it smart, selling covered calls against everything, except for the fact that I'm probably going to get a call down on my Aurora Cannabis. 100 shares of Space. I don't have a covered call. Tesla, I probably should have put on a covered call recently. I have 100 shares of that. 100 shares of XPEV with a covered call. I would liquidate probably this whole damn thing and just go long Bitcoin. This account's around $70,000 all in my IRA, 10, 15 years. I already have been on my island and I have plenty of cash in the bank. Continue to have those margaritas flown in. Yeah, dividends are boring, man. Like if I had a bunch of money, say I'm Jeremy from Financial Education, hell yeah. If I had that kind of money, I would definitely put $1 to $2 million just in dividend stocks and try and just live off those dividends. Yeah, no, I get it, man. Like, but I'm even when I retire, I want to retire to trade. That's all I want to do is trade. I can do this all day long. So how do I get dividends? Sell covered calls, sell puts. Look at this. Sell them all day long. Tesla, let's take a look at my big account. I have 250 shares because I keep buying every time it dips, and it's almost my whole damn account now. But I sold a 800 covered call and got a $2,500 credit. What stock out there gives that kind of dividend? And that's a 45-day trade, less than a 50-day trade, $2,500 credit. Of course there's risk. But the strike price is $800. What does that mean? Let's take a look. This is the Jan 15, 2021. This is why I love Tesla and covered calls. Again, I got $2,500 credit for it. It's now trading for $1,600. I could buy it back for $1,600 and take my little $800 or $900 profits. When did I put this on? This is insane. Come on, Tom. Can't be that hard to find. Apparently it is, because I do a lot of trading in Tesla. Wasn't that long ago. Oh, it's because I'm highlighted it. So I put that on 12/1. What was that, like last Monday? I put that on Tuesday. 4 trading days, I've already made $800 in dividends. Wow, it's not as much risk. The risk is I get my stock called away. So right now, it was about the same. So this is a 20 delta, 12% chance that this is going to be in the money. I went really high up, $800, 12% chance currently that it touches this. Is it possible? Yeah, it's possible. But is Tesla likely to hit 800 by January 15th? And then what? Oh no, 100 shares right now from 600 to 800. That's another $20,000 in profit, plus the credit received of $25. That's $22,000 and $500 profit in less than 50 days. And that's it. My profit's capped. My stock gets called away at $800. You know what I do then? I come over here and let's take a look. Oh man, I go, unless the stock goes crazy high that I want to do it, I just go over here and I sell a cash secured put, get a big credit, like, I don't know, 30 delta down, like $30, $40 away, just whatever premium sounds good to me. And I just keep selling those puts until Tesla goes down, hits that put, and I'm back in it, baby. That's what options, man, they're amazing. Over here in, oh man, what did I have? Oh yeah. So LCA, you know I'm a big guy on LCA. So I have 200 shares of LCA, and I also have this covered. Actually, I got a video coming out tomorrow with LCA that covers this, but I sold a covered strangle around it. Sold the put because I'm bullish. I sold the call. I want 100 shares to get, I want to sell 100 shares right around when this doubles anyway, which will be about $30 to $35. Might as well sell a call on it too. That way, if I'm wrong, it buys me some downside protection. Oh, did you use my referral link? They let you use TastyWorks? How do you use TastyWorks over in Greece? I have a referral link in my description. Let me see if that gives you the name. I don't know if that has my, let's see what happens when we click on that. Yeah, I don't know if I have a name I can give you, to be honest, so. Proxy? Yeah, I figured there was, like, you'd have to have bank, like, you can't transfer, what would you do, like, wire money? Yeah, dude, stick around, watch TastyWorks again. It took me years, but it's not that hard. You learn so much. Say Cola, 3%. Well, I gotta go back up. Oh yeah, Coca-Cola, great dividend company. Nice return. I couldn't agree more, dude, but they're boring. Like, I'm an adrenaline junkie. You think I want to waste my time with dividends? I'm over here buying Nasdaq futures, selling gold. I'm reckless. I'm loose. I'm a loose cannon. But that's one of the best things about options. Like, let's take a look at Tesla as it was right around Friday. Again, like, so Tesla's a big one, man. 100 shares of Tesla, that's 60,000. That's why I love that. You can do a lot of premium stuff with it. But it is a great way if you're bullish a stock, but you want to, so when you buy or sell a stock, dude, it's a 50-50 shot. No matter how much you think you know, it's 50-50, right? Instead, Tesla, $600 stock, I could go over here and sell a 500 put for 23, right around $2,300. The mid price on that's going to be about $2,300. I get a $2,300 credit. And as long as Tesla doesn't fall below 500, I don't have to buy it. If it does sell below 500, I've already committed to the fact that I'll buy Tesla all day long at 500. And my break even is the 500 minus the $2,300 credit, or $477 would be what I bought Tesla at. Now, it's easy to have that mindset and do what I just said, but now Tesla starts crashing. You start panicking. Man, do I really want to spend $40,000, $47,000 in Tesla stock? What if that thing goes to 300? That's what makes it hard. Yeah, dude, just, man, you're young. I get it. Like I say, I'm betting big. I'm really not betting that big, to be honest. Like the worst case, like if I wasn't paying attention to these three things, the worst case, maybe I lose $5,000 or $10,000, and that's if like a nuclear bomb went off, right? So it's really only like $4 or $5, maybe $1,000 max risk overnight on a fairly decent sized move if I were to get every single play wrong, right? And this is a $200,000 account. So at the end of the day, like I wouldn't be happy about it, but again, futures, man, like especially, I don't know if they're a hot item now, but I know Forex is hot. Stay the hell away from Forex. You're just going to get your face melted. You run across any programs that say they'll show you how to scalp futures. Scalping futures is hard. I just kind of do it to stay engaged. All right. Stick around. I'll teach you options. Watch TastyWorks, but be very, very slow. The worst thing about, and there's so many people out there promoting doing options, and they can be fun, but for example, like LCA. You can go out to LCA and you think, oh man, $30. I can buy a $30 call for around $3, which is going to be $300 because it's per share. 100 shares times $3 is $300. And if LCA goes to the moon like $50 by this expiration, you're going to make a couple grand off just a $300 trade. But buying out of the money options like this, there's only a 23% chance it's going to do that. A lot of people try and say, yeah, man, I don't know. I don't know how to help you out there in the UK. I thought Trading 212 or one of those had them. I don't know. Yeah, it's probably better for you. Can you open a Thinkorswim account maybe? If even just a paper trade and just start paper trading options and do the selling. A lot of people glorify buying options, and the worst thing, and it happened to me, dude, you go out there and buy a few options, you throw like $1,000 gamble on some Apple options or something, you make $3 grand. You're like, dude, you're on the top of the world. You think you know everything. You continue to do it, and you just lose all your money because it's the odds. There's again 23% chance that this LCA is going to hit $30 by the Jan 15th. Plus the premium, your break even on this is $33. You don't even start making money until after that. So way less than a 50% chance. Instead, it's not as glorious. You sell the put instead. Now you're the house. All right, I do have to wrap this up in a few minutes. I do have some work to do. If you have any parting questions, if you have any last minute questions, let me know. Again, I'm going to try and live stream the AirBNB IPO. I'm super excited about that. I'm definitely going to be a degenerate on that one. I'm now up on all my futures trades. Everything is good. Can I keep these on overnight? I will tweet that out. Be sure to follow me at Nostradamus. I do have a video coming out in the morning. LCA, we're going to talk some LCA. We're going to talk some VGAC. I am super hyped. Yeah, so, all right. So Think or Swim was created by Tom Sosnoff. Tasty Trade. Check it out. He is amazing. He founded Thinkorswim, sold it to TD Ameritrade a while ago, got tens of millions of dollars. Created Tasty Trade, created TastyWorks, much better platform. But Thinkorswim has paper trading, pretty cool, and you can definitely learn options that way. Well, now, still up for the day. We'll take it. Nice. All right. I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you for coming by. Again, I am going to do this every Sunday. Try and get better at this live talking stuff. Try and build an audience. Definitely check out my video. I'm dropping a video tomorrow. LCA, VGAC. I'm super hyped about VGAC. I might do some warrants in there. I'm probably going to do some warrants. My first time, man. I'm learning those warrants. And then we're going to talk some Bitcoin. Again, AirBNB on Wednesday. I love you guys all. Always hit those like buttons. Have a good one and peace.